Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to reset your Wix website? This guide will show you how to start fresh by resetting your site while preserving your account and domain settings. Follow these steps to reset your Wix website. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to explain exactly how you can reset your site to its really first form. Now, the requirements of this video is basically Wix account and the websites. Go to your site through here and click select and edit sites. Now, to reset your site, you will have at least to have like you had a lot of changes in your sites. So once you try to reset, you will have like a backup, which is your first edited page. Now, what I'm going to do basically is go into settings right through here. And as you can see here, you will find everything about your site, and you will find a lot of details about your website, like here, store, product inventory, and a lot of things. So in this video, guys, what you have to do is to go to a place where you can get your website settings, which is right here. In this area, if you went to the bottom, you will find site history. View and restore previous versions of your store, or basically your site. Click on restore versions, and as you can see, you will find the oldest version of Wix in here. So you can literally go ahead, click, view this version of your site, and once you liked it, you can click on it and restore it. So we can restore it just like that. So we can edit sites, stay here, and just like that we have restored or basically resetted the website that we own to the first version of it when it was like at the beginning. The best thing about Wix, guys, is it's making always backups for you. So you don't have to worry about the new backups, the new things, the new updates. It's always gonna give you the backups ready when you go to the website settings. So you don't worry about that. Now, of course, in case you didn't want your website at all and you wanted to reset it like without doing all of that, you can literally just delete it. And after that, like move it to trash through here. And after that, just creating a new site, which is another method. So you can go and create a new site and do the same option that you did with the first one. So you can set up it without chat, so you can exactly do it in the way you want it. Like basically you can continue, choose exactly which template you want, choose exactly which tools you want, and with that being said, you will be able to have your site pretty much ready at any time done. So it's a very highly recommended option also to basically highlight in this video, since people like wouldn't really be able to go to settings. Maybe like a bug happened in your website and basically didn't find your previous backups, then something like that might happen to everyone. So you always have a backup plan, which is basically for us to create a whole site from scratch, which is very easy, very simple. It doesn't even take few minutes, 2 minutes, which I literally did right in front of you guys right now. So you could literally just do the same step that I have done and it will not be a problem for you. So it was very easy things, and yeah, these are like basically the most two highlighted ways that you can with them reset your Wix website. So the first one is to go to your site, edit and select site like that, and from there you have to go to the settings right here, pick the website settings, which you will have here, manage your site's name, your L5 icon and more, click on it, and once you go right there, go to the bottom of the page, site history, then go to restore versions, and up there you will find all the versions. Just go and make sure to choose one and click restore. In case you didn't find any version, then you will come up to the second method, which is basically deleting all your sites and basically create a new one from scratch. It's very easy, it doesn't even take 5 minutes to make, and this video is basically like almost 5 minutes, and I already done with creating the video, and I've done it like twice for now. So yeah, you know how fast it is and how easy it is. And yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will try to cover every question. So guys, thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.